This 2024 Coachmen Prism Select 24FS Prism Class C is a Class C RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, sleeps 5, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, skylight, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, oven, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Coachmen Prism Select 24FS Prism Class C is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.